Hi, welcome to GeoVision training video. My name is Derek. For this video, I will give you a brief introduction of facial recognition systems use biometrics to map facial features from a photograph or video. It compares the information with the database of enrolled faces to find a match. The facial recognition market has been gradually growing these years. That's because facial recognition has all kinds of commercial applications. It can be used for everything from surveillance to marketing. Alright, let's get started. The GV-AI-FR server is a technology capable of identifying a person from a video stream or from a digital image. There are two methods in which facial recognition systems work, but generally speaking, they work by comparing selected facial features from a given image with the faces in a database. The method shows up here is a video stream from a video source. The video source could be coming from either GV-FD cameras or any other types of cameras. However, in order to receive the best result of facial recognition, we strongly recommend our customer use GeoVision face detection-based cameras. Here is the other method that AI-FR server provides, which is a technology capable of identifying a person from a digital image from a video source. The minimum PC requirements by using video stream from a video source will be Intel Core i7 Coffee Lake with the 16 GB memory, and the maximum channels it supports is up to 8. The minimum PC requirements by using digital image from a video source will be Intel Core i7 Coffee Lake with the 16 GB memory as well. The biggest advantages of using digital image for facial recognition is that there is no limitation on the max number of channels allowed to be connected to the server. The number of channels allowed will depend on your PC spec and how many R8 cards added to the system. So what is the AI Accelerator R8 card? It's an Intel hardware accelerator card with the NVIDIA to process multiple AI algorithms and tasks with a faster speed. With the card used, business can implement vision-based AI system to collect and analyze data right on edge devices for real-time decision-making. Advanced edge computing capabilities help cut costs, drive new revenue stream, and improve services. Here shows that the AI-FR server for central identification with one R8 card install is expected to recognize 140 frames per second. The AI-FR server is a paid software, so you need to purchase a dongle to start up. Here is the dongle rule applied to the software. If you're using video stream from a video source, the maximum number of channels you will have is 8, in increments of 1 channel. If you're using digital image from a video source, the maximum number of channels you will have is unlimited, in increments of 1 channel as well. When you enroll your face to the AI-FR server, there are a few things you need to pay attention to, such as at least one headshot, face on every photo must be clearly visible, plain background, no cap, mask, or sunglasses are wear, and photo needs to be taken within the last 6 months. Here are the other limitations about the face enrollment. The face image has to be above 150 pixels. The file size can be larger than 350 KB. It supports JPEG format only. Register up to 100,000 people. Each person is allowed to enroll up to 3 photos. So what exactly the AI-FR server is doing? It counts people of detected face and evaluate their age and gender. Display the result on the screen with the statistical graph and data. Can be saved as a CSV file for analytical use. This demo is showing that the upper left camera detects each face and recognizes each person's age, gender, and the name. How many ways can you enroll your face to the AI-FR server? Here shows the possible methods you can use to enroll your face, such as GV-Face, which is a mobile application, the AI-FR server built-in functions called Face Management, and VMS 18.1. The AI-FR server also supports face recognition based on 2D images. Face recognition based on 2D images is a widely used biometric approach. This is mainly due to the simplicity and high usability of this approach. Nonetheless, those solutions are vulnerable to spoof attacks made by non-real faces. Alright, this is another demo video showing face recognition based on 2D image. I'm going to enable liveness detection option and test it with my smartphone. Let's see what happens. Did you see the result in the face index window? It shows on liveness. Let's do it again. Now let's go back to recognition settings and disable the option. See what happens with the same testing method. Did you see that? It recognized my face as a real person. The IO trigger is a helpful feature because a real-time alert can trigger an alarm whenever there is a match. This process can be applied to any retail environment, corporation, bank, and hospital. Once your VIP customers enter the store, the clerk can recognize who the customer is by receiving the notification to his mobile phone. It can help retailers to provide more services to who can bring them more per customer transaction. One of the most popular instant communication mobile application, Line, has been integrated to the AIFR server. It provides real-time alerts, accurate details, and mobile notification to the users. The AIFR server has also been integrated to Android TV Box and GV-COM application. One of the primary goals of this integration is to provide end user with the improved shopping or visitor experiences. For example, in the retail world, such kind of application helps to entertain guests and improve service through VIP and loyalty programs. These types of experiences have ripple effects and can determine whether each end user will become a repeat visitor or customer. Here shows the AIFR server has been integrated into GV-ACE Manager by sending paired face ID to controller through TCP/IP connection. With GV-FWC used, it can integrate the AIFR server into access control system by sending access card data, pair face IDs to controller either through TCP/IP or WAN connection. When connected through TCP/IP, a face image is transmitted along with the access card data upon face recognition. In summary, we know GV AIFR server counts people of detected face and evaluate their age and gender, support face recognition based on 2D images, display the result on the screen with a statistical graph and data that can be saved as a CSV file for analytical use. The AIFR server has also been integrated with the VMS for video recording and ACE Manager for access management, and it uses master-slave feature for multiple AIFR servers with the centralized face database. The AIFR server uses a model of asymmetric communication called master-slave, where one main server controls one or more subserver and serve as their communication hub. In the AIFR server, a master is selected from a group of eligible servers, with the other servers acting in the role of slaves. The GV AIFR server is a technology capable of identifying a person from a video source. As talked about in the previous slides, there are two methods in which the FR server works. You can either use video stream from a video source, which gives you a total of 8 channels, or use digital image from a video source without a limited number of channels.